Hello, class. We're going to continue our lesson with fractions. We're going to do add and subtract fractions, okay? There's really only one big rule with this, okay? It's right up here. You must have common denominators, okay? They got to be the same for you to do this, okay? So if they're not the same, you got to make them all the same, okay? But I'll show you how. This is going to be easy, okay? Now the first one, it's 3/7 plus 2/7. Well, as you see, both the denominators are the same, so there's not much we can do here, so we just leave it like that. So it's going to come to be 3 plus 2 is 5. 5/7. And that's it. That's the answer. Okay, now let's move on, okay? I'm going to go straight across. I kind of like that. I notice how they go up and down here, but I'm going to do number 3 next, okay? Now, what we have here, both the denominators are the same. They're both 12s. So, all we have to do here is 11 minus 5. So it's going to come to be 6/12. But now, can this be reduced? Yeah. 6 goes into itself once, okay? And 6 goes into 12 2 times. So this is going to equal 1/2. And that's the final answer. So if you're looking down the answer sheet, you're going to see 1/2. You're probably not going to see 6/12. You're going to see the 1/2. Okay? Now, let's go to the next one. Okay, what we have here, we have 1/6 plus 7/15. Okay? We got to make these all the same. So what we got to look for is the least common denominator. Okay? And so let's see. If we double the 6, we get 12. That don't work. We 18, that don't work. 30, that's going to work, okay? So let's make this first one 30. So what we have to do here, we have to multiply this times 5, okay, to get 30. So we're going to have 5/30. That equals 1/6. Okay, now we got to get the other side of 32. So 15 goes into 30 twice, so we're going to multiply times 2 over 2, okay? So we're going to have 14 over 30. This is going to equal 19/30. We add right across here. We add these two, 19/30. And that's the answer. That's all there was to it. So we just had to find, hey, what can we do to make both of the denominators equal, okay? And 30 was the easiest one for 5, okay? Let's move on to 2. So what's a common denominator for this? Let's see. If I double the 4 to 8, that don't work. Go to 12, that don't work. 16 don't work. 20 works, okay? So that means the first one, I got to multiply both sides, the top and the bottom, by 5. Okay, that's really just multiplying times 1, really. 5 over 5 is 1. But I'm just changing it. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. So now I got to make the other one 20. So it's going to be minus, okay, 10 goes into 20 2 times. So I got to multiply both sides, both top and bottom, by 2. Okay, that's 1. Okay, so I'm going to have 14/20. So now 15 minus 14, it's going to be 1 over 20. We'll leave the bottom the same. Look at that, that's the answer. That was kind of easy. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, really, 15 does work. Okay, so how do I get the 2/5 of 15? I multiply it by 3. So I multiply top by 3 and the bottom by 3. So I'm going to have 4/15 when I rewrite it, plus, okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15. So I got the denominators the same. Okay. So now I got 4 plus 6 is 10 over 15. But now can I reduce this? Yeah, because 2 will go into both. Okay. No, 5 goes into both. Okay. So 5 goes into 10 2 times. 5 goes into 15 3 times. So the answer reduced is 2/3. And that's all there was to it. Okay? I just divided by 5, both top and bottom. Okay? Now, let's see on the next one. Okay? I can already see 7 will go to 28 4 times. So I want to multiply this one by 4 and this by 4. Okay? So that way I get to 28. So I'm going to have 11 28ths minus, okay, 4 times 2 is 8, okay, 4 times 7 is 28. So I get the denominator is the same. So 11 minus 8 is 3 over 28. And I don't think we can reduce that. So I think that's going to be my answer. So that was all there was to it. So see, your biggest job here is to convert and get everything to be a common denominator, okay? And as you see, it's kind of easy to do. You just got to just fiddle around with the numbers and have a little number sense on this, and I'm sure you can come up with these solutions. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and remember what I always say is math can be fun. And don't forget to share this with your mathematical friends, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.